it's April from April's Home, and today I'm here with my February 1st grocery haul. This week I went to Safeway. We had a very busy week last week with the wedding. It went very well, and our house is fully stocked with lots of leftovers from the wedding, so I didn't need that many groceries, and I didn't really have the space to stock up at Costco or anything like that, so I thought I would just go to my local Safeway and get some of the things that I need for the meals that I have planned this week. So starting over here, I got a couple bags of veggies. I'm pretty stocked up for veggies, so I thought I would just get a couple here. This mix with broccoli flowerets and Parisian style carrots and cauliflower is one of my favorites. I also thought that we would get this crazy corn. It just is so much fun, all the different colors. I got grapes for lunches as well as some apples, and then for a couple meals, different potatoes here to use in various meals with our roasts and things. I picked up a bag of Italian salad, and then some meat to use for various meals through the month. I'm trying out this Norbest all-natural ground turkey. I got a couple packs of that. We've really been enjoying turkey lately. And I got a tri-tip roast here that I'm going to work on making. I haven't made this cut of meat before, so I'm really excited to experiment with that. For our Super Bowl nachos, I thought that I would get the grass-fed 100% natural Angus ground beef. I thought that would be nice. And then also, this won't be for this week, but I haven't seen a brisket, a proper beef brisket in my store for a while in a small enough size to cook for our family. So I found one and I decided I would buy it and put it in the freezer. My daughter enjoys having some frozen meals on hand, so I got a few of those, a thin crust pizza, some slow roasted turkey breast, and chicken fettuccine. And then I decided to try the Fran's Hawaiian bread this week, as well as some of the original mini bagels. We love the little mini ones. For dessert one night, we are having cherry pie with ice cream, so I got the cherry pie as well as some vanilla ice cream, and then my husband really loves the Oregon black cherry ice cream, so he got that for himself. I also decided to pick up a box of fudge brownies to have on hand if I need to make a quick dessert. And then I stocked up on a few things for the pantry. I needed some La Victoria sauce, the red taco sauce, and green taco sauce. I needed some of the tamed deli sliced jalapeno peppers. This is what I love to use to make a corn dip. And then I got a jar of our favorite Barilla pasta sauce, tomato and basil. And the other night I made chicken soup and realized we were out of orzo, so I picked up 2 boxes of orzo. That is also a family favorite. This week I'll be making enchiladas, chicken enchiladas with green chili enchilada sauce. So I got 2 cans of those, one to use to make and one for the pantry. The Las Palmas brand is our favorite. We have been enjoying having Cliff Bars on hand, so I got the chocolate chip variety, as well as the chocolate brownie variety. These are nice to just put in a bag when my daughter or husband go off to work. And then I got a few odds and ends for breakfasts and lunches. I got another one of these Rolltinis. I really enjoyed this last time I had it. I think I got this at Trader Joe's last time, so I was happy to see that they had it at my Safeway. This makes a really nice little lunch along with some fruit. I really enjoyed that. I also thought that I would try out these wee brie little flavor spreadable cheese wedges. It is only 40 calories per wedge, and I thought that would also be nice for my lunch along with some fruit and crackers. And then I got a couple little packs of lunch meat here, pastrami and honey ham, and 2 little pots of the Oui by Yoplait yogurt in black cherry and key lime. I really love this kind of yogurt. And I really love these old-fashioned Fran's donuts. They're one of my favorite treats to have for breakfast with coffee from time to time. So I picked up a box of those as well as some eggs. I thought I would try out these Pete and Jerry's organic eggs from Small Family Farms. So thought I would try that out, and we needed more than 1 dozen, so I also just got a regular pack of large brown eggs. So that is my grocery haul for the first week of February. So when I shop at Safeway here in town, my groceries do run a little bit higher than when I stock up at Costco or when I shop at Trader Joe's, but I did pretty good considering all of the meat that I purchased, as well as a lot of that meat being organic. So my total for this week is $154.80, which is a little bit more than I wanted to spend, but not by much. So I did stick with the budget pretty well, and I also stocked up on meat for more than just this week. So I think that that'll be good. So now I'll go ahead and share with you my menu plan for the first week of February. Here's my meal plan for February 1st through 7th. On Thursday the 1st, we will have chicken enchiladas with green sauce. On Friday the 2nd, we'll have salmon patties, potatoes, and carrots. On Saturday the 3rd, we'll have bacon wrapped chicken with pasta and broccoli. On Sunday the 4th, that is Super Bowl, I'll be making layered nachos and appetizers. On Monday the 5th, we will be having either pot roast or tri-tip, and roasted veggies, potatoes, and gravy with cherry pie and ice cream for dessert. On Tuesday the 6th, we'll be having leftovers, and on Wednesday the 7th, we'll be having split pea soup with ham and bread. So that is my meal plan for the first week in February. I'm excited to start out a new month. I always love February. Friday the 2nd is Groundhog Day, which it's really exciting to see if we will have 6 more weeks of winter or an early spring. So I'm looking forward to seeing what the groundhog predicts on Groundhog Day. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at my grocery haul as well as my meal plan for the first week of February. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe for more videos from April's Home. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.